best thing. It's the finesse kings. Bitch, we finessing. Bitch, we finessing. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's your girl Tay
and Lexi, and today we are bringing to you guys Highoh. This is pads that was founded by two sisters who struggle with buying period and boob products. So these sisters' products are to help women to save time, effort, and money for all ages.
Okay. And they also made with bamboo charcoal. They highly absorbent and they washable. And make sure that you place them in your leak-proof go bag after you're done. And you gotta wash them as soon as possible, y'all.
Yeah. Like, you know, you don't want it to be sitting out in the sun, or you don't want to be like, oh, I left it in the car for 24 hours. Like, you know. Oh, shit. And also make sure to wear tight underwear like classic briefs, high cut briefs, and control briefs. Just, you know, just for when you
keep it up
lashing it, or like you don't want too tight to where it's like, you know, but tight enough to where you can snap this on, you know, like your regular period underwear. And you can receive 10% off your order by using our code Monet 10.
I mean, tonight.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we will have it spelled out for you. It's TAY.
Absolutely. But we're going to show y'all how it works real quick. Just real quick, we're going to show you how quick it absorbs.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Because it do fight back. I'm upset.
I'm really ready to make that move. I see you, baby, told you I'ma keep it. Can you vibe with me? You know I'm